Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom button assignments to your controller on any game on your PlayStation 4. Now this is easy. Let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Then go on down to where it says Accessibilities right here. Then go to Button Assignments. Change controller button assignments. This does not work with some controllers, but on the DualSense 4 controller it does. So let's enable it on the top. Then go to Custom Button Assignments. And you can see all the different buttons you can map it to. So I was mapping triangle to the L3 button, which is the left thumbstick when you press that in. And then the square button to R3 at one point. Now a lot of times what I like to do is go to the R3 button and then I'll put it to like the crouch button in most games. So I can go to reset, go to R3 right here. And then crouch is typically the circle button. So I can do that and go to confirm. Then the circle button becomes R3. You can see that on the left side of the screen. Then you can see the remap of the buttons right here. Now this will also apply in the menus right here for the PlayStation. So if you are trying to press back with circle, it's not going to go back. I have to press the right thumbstick in to go back. But this will map over to any game that you're playing. And it should be really easy to turn on and off. If you have this option on, you can go to Enable Custom Button Assignments real quick. Right here, I can check mark it or uncheck mark it. But to get accessibilities under the quick menu, you have to go to Add to Quick Menu right here, and you can find it at any point in time, and you can turn this on and off real quick. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.